We are in my office because I'm going to show you my new little friend. If I can get over here without him flying away. He sits here all day and does this. I think he has an identity crisis because I think he thinks he's a woodpecker. He flies between my window and my office and the one next door, which is the control room. And he sits here and pecks at the window all day long. But he's like some kind of little finch. And see, watch him. He'll fly up the window and peck and fly back down. He's a cute little fella. I don't know what he is. But he has some fascination either with himself because the other side of the glass is mirrored. So I don't know if he thinks it's another bird or if he just likes pecking at the window. He doesn't have a name yet. I need to give him a name. So if you got a good name, let me know what we should call him. He's red. I don't know if you can see that. See if we can get closer. So that's what I listen to all day long, is him pecking at the window.